Hello everybody! Today we're going to talk about 5 useful compliments in Chinese. Let's get started. The first one, 你今天好帅. 你今天好帅. And if you don't know this pronoun, check out my playlist and you'll find a video for pronouns. That's a very important thing to learn. Next, let's see. She looks beautiful. 她长得很美. 她长得很美. They are smart. 他们很聪明，他们很聪明。Smart means 聪明。我很可爱，我很可爱。Cute means 可爱。你人真好，你人真好。It is very kind of you. So sometimes the order will be a little bit opposite for Chinese and English. In this situation, this sentence should be changed like you are kind, and this grammar structure will be more similar to Chinese. So this is the end of our today's video. And if you like this video, share it to others who would like to learn Chinese. And make sure to subscribe this channel because more videos are coming up soon. See ya!